To apply for Affirm on Amazon, start by going to the Amazon website or mobile app and selecting the item you want to purchase. Once you have added the item to your cart, proceed to checkout. On the Payment Methods page, click on the Affirm option. If you do not see Affirm as an option, it may not be available for your purchase. To apply for Affirm, you will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You will also need to create a password for your Affirm account. After providing this information, Affirm will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. If you are approved, you will see a list of available payment plans, including the interest rate and the number of payments. Choose the plan that works best for you and review the terms of the loan. If you agree to the terms, confirm your loan and complete the checkout process. It is essential to carefully review the terms of the loan before confirming, as you will be responsible for making the payments as agreed. Make sure to understand the interest rate, the number of payments, and any fees associated with the loan. By following these steps, you can easily apply for Affirm on Amazon and take advantage of their financing options. It is also important to note that Affirm may not be available for all purchases, and not all customers may be eligible for financing. Additionally, late payments may affect your credit score, so it is crucial to make your payments on time. By being mindful of these factors, you can use Affirm to help you purchase the items you need while avoiding any potential pitfalls. To manage your Affirm account and make payments, you can log in to the Affirm website or mobile app. From there, you can view your payment schedule, make payments, and update your account information. By following these best practices, you can use Affirm on Amazon with confidence and make your purchases more affordable.